Good morning, student. We are going to start our third lesson, migration. Migration means moving from one place to another permanently or temporary. Migration may be human migration or the migration of a refugees. So we are going to study about this. So to migrate means to move to a home in a new place permanently or temporary. Surely we would have heard a migrating bird animal that travels seasonal from one part to another. Same way the human migration is the movement of a people from one place to another over a long distance for the purpose for the for the purpose of living in a new location permanently for a long time. It may be undertaken as an individual or a group. That means migration may be individual or a group. Migration excludes the short-term movement like the nomad, commuters and tourists. That is, it may be on a short time in which the migrant don't stay intent for a long new location for a long. However, the seasonal movement of the hired or the farm labors transhumans, that means seasonal movement of the pastoral movement with their animal to a warmer pasture in winter and back in the summer, are the example of the temporary migration. Migration is voluntary when the people themselves choose to migrate, for example in search of better opportunities. Some migration through voluntary are forced by condition, that means it may be by their choice. Second thing, by forced condition such as war, famine, epidemics. People who migrate in such conditions cannot return to their homes safety are called the refugees. Some migration are not voluntary, as the case of a people who are forcibly expelled and taken away as a prisoner. Then types of migration. Migration may be outward or inward. Outward migration is the movement of a people out of the region. That means outward migration is the movement of the people out of the region is called immigration. And the people who move out are called immigrant. Inward movement of the people into the region is called immigrant, and the people who move in are called immigrant. That means those who come into movement, that is the immigration, and those who move out, they are the immigrant. The region from which the people immigrate known as donor, and the region the people migrate are called the receivers. One is the donor and another is the receivers. Donors as a Bangladesh, Ukraine and Pakistan, they come under the donor, and the Arabian, Canada and UK, they are the receivers. Migration may take place as a different level. It may be of a different level. So student, today we have learned about what is migration, what are the types of migration, what is donor, what is immigration, what is emigration. So coming period we will learn about internal migration and the international migration. Thank you.